I want to introduce something that is going to be a game changer for your cars and your car projects. This car in particular, I know, didn't come from the factory with automatic roll down windows when you hit the unlock button. But I think we can code that into this car right now. I borrowed a 2013 Volkswagen GTI from a friend just to show you everything Carly has to offer. All we have to do is go into the coding section, click the module that you want to code, and then click the option that you want in your car, and then Carly does the rest. Now I just coded this feature. We're going to try it for the very first time. I have the unlock button here. All I have to do is hold it. Look at that. And that is how easy it is to code with Carly. Carly is an all-in-one diagnostics, coding, and live data system that you just plug into your OBD2 port. You can analyze and repair car issues, you can monitor engine data in real time, you can also detect tampering of mileage and VIN, and on certain cars, you can code and customize your car in minutes. Now this car says status very bad. This has some engine issues, some ABS issues, and honestly some other issues. But thanks to Carly and Smart Mechanic, I can figure out those issues really, really quickly. Now the Carly Smart Mechanic analyzes the fault code and tells you potential consequences, potential causes, and gives you an expert guide with related faults. So even if you don't know what's wrong with your car, this is an awesome starting point.